All right, this is your gas regulator. Just mounts to the wall, got 4 holes in each corner. Now, mount it to the wall, attach the gas bottle just through the screw-on arm, turn the gas bottle on. Once you do that, this gauge will come up to the top of the green, indicating, well, if it's a full bottle, it'll come up to the top of the green, indicating how much is in the bottle. The 2 shut-off valves are turned off, so nothing will come out once you turn the gas bottle on. Now, these gauges are going to need to be set. Now, we used to send them preset, but they never arrived right. So we now write on the board what it's supposed to be. Syrup, this one here's your syrup. This one here's your carbonator. Syrup at 40 psi, so we just go up to here. PSI is the red one in the middle. Now, your adjustment knob is right here. Just using a flathead screwdriver, turn this clockwise slowly until it gets up to 40 psi. If it goes over 40 psi, simply wind it back, then let the pressure out using the shut-off valve, and readjust to 40 psi. Same thing with the next one. It gets set at 80 psi. Simply wind it up to the 80 psi, and once you're happy with them set, there is a little screw underneath, little nut underneath, which locks everything into place. Now, once you've done that, there are 2 barbs at the bottom, one for the syrup and one for the carbonator. What we do is, this is your syrup pump board here on the back. Right down the middle is your gas line, and down here there is a 6mm line. On the end of it, it will say CO2 syrup. Now, we've made that about 8 meters long. You only asked for 7, so we made sure there was plenty of room. You run that to your gas board, onto this barb here. Now, there'll be clamps included, which I'll show you a bit later. All you do is put a clamp, which will be one of these clamps, over the hose, push the hose up over the barb, and put the pincers on either side of the little knob and squeeze them together to lock them tight. So you run that hose to the board, cut the line to size to make sure it's the right size, and pinch it shut. Then we do the same to the carbonator gas, which is over here, attached to the carbonator, comes to the top, you'll see it right here, and it will be listed as CO2 carbonator. Run that to the board, cut it to size, put the clamp over the end, put the end up over the barb, and clamp it shut. That is pretty much all there is to supplying gas to the machine. This is a vent to atmosphere, so if you're putting this in an enclosed space inside a cool room, stairway, etc., let us know and we'll supply you hose to vent that to atmosphere, but otherwise shouldn't be necessary.